this Keith from the Bobcat guy. We're going to do how to reset your, our unit is an S750 Bobcat, how to reset the oil change indicator. And I'll just flip the camera around here to so you can take a look. Okay, so you'll turn your unit on. And yeah, you can't see very good. So I'm going to enter my code. Okay, now ours has been reset, but what you do is you cruise over to the, I don't know if you can see that, to the one with the wrench. Okay, and then go over to the other side and you'll hit this identification one, and it'll show you, click it 3 times, and it'll show you the maintenance one. So I don't know if you can see that page there. And then hold this down for a few seconds and it'll beep at you and say reset. And that's how you reset your oil change. Now we just did this a few seconds ago, right there. So now that'll reset it back to the 250 hours. That's what our dealership has us on. And you can see here that next maintenance due in 250 hours. Okay, thanks for watching.